of Bodosa to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. I call upon not only the rhino as a symbol of attention, followed by the presentation of citation by Dr. Dimasa Devrang Masahari, Upendranath Brahmo Trust. Next we have memento presentation by the Honorable Governor of Assam, the Chief Guest to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. The memento, the statue of Bodosa, followed by presentation of the epigraph of Bodosa by the President of FSU All Bodo Students Union. Next, I call upon for the presentation of Bodo traditional Dokona and Jumgra by Dr. Shiruti Narzari, who is a member of the trust and assisted by Vishnu Kumar Prasad Brahmo. Next, we have a traditional musical instrument to be presented by Honorable Harana Moilari. Presented by Harana Moilari sir to Her Majesty the Queen Mother, and a traditional Bodo Dokuna from his office of Honorable Chief. We now present the last and only the rhino as a symbol of pride of Assam by the former CEO of ETC, Sri Pramod Bodo, to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. So thank you and congratulations once again for this 22nd of